Welcome back. In this video on Cover Your Assets, or CYA utility, we're going to review excluding subdirectories. Now, if you're just an average Linux home user, I seriously doubt this is going to apply to you. It could, but it probably isn't. This is generally going to apply more towards server people. However, again, if you're a Linux home user, you might find a need for this. The reason is because when you specify a custom directory, or one of the directories that is already included in the base program, such as var, you might have subdirectories in there that you just don't want. As an example, if you're running a server and you have MySQL installed, MySQL will by default install its data into var lib MySQL. You do not want the CYA utility backing up that directory. You will not, I repeat one more time, you will not get a consistent state of the MySQL database. You need to use Percona's backup tool, which is really one of the best, or MySQL dump, or MyDumper, something like that. However, you may be running a server that's caching, and you're like, look, I don't need to have the caching directory backup. We'll just rebuild it. Maybe you have op/cache, and that's caches in C-A-C-H-E. And you might say, look, I want to back up the op directory, but I don't want that cache directory backed up. So you can do that here. You may use this for both directories, that parent directories that have been included in the program itself, or custom ones you have set. So how do you do that? It's actually pretty simple. So I'm going to exit out of full screen mode here. We're going to go to the command line, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type, okay, we need to edit the CYA.conf file, but before we do that, let's run the config file here and see what we need to do. If we look here at that second entry here, we'll see exclude subdirectories from backup. You simply type in exclude, all uppercase, then underscore, then the parent directory with slashes, and between quotes you add children directories or subdirectories separated by a space. Now the subdirectories or children directories should not include the parent directory. No forward slashes for children directories. For example, let's say we want to exclude /var/tim and /var/logs, which are inside var, obviously. So that command would look like exclude all uppercase underscore /var/ equals quote temp / space logs / then we have another quote. Notice var is not there. The parent category is removed. There's no / for these. And we can see here, you may simply repeat for additional directories with exclude underscore directory / one per line. You can see here we have a exclude with the etc, exclude with the var, and you can see here the underscore. That's how easy it is. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and exit out of this, clear this, and what we need to do here is we need to edit the CYA.conf file configuration. So you have to use sudo because you don't own it unless you've logged in as root. And I'm going to do VI. If you don't like VI, use whatever, Nano, Emacs, I don't care. I use VI, and I'm going to do CYA space conf, or not space, dot conf, excuse me, CYA.conf. Hit enter. You can see here our backups underscore directory variable. So I'm going to go to a new line here, and I'm going to type in exclude all uppercase underscore /var / equals. I'll put in two quotes. Then I'm going to go back there. Now remember, I wanted to say we wanted to exclude var /lib /MySQL/. Well, we don't include the parent category or beginning slash. We will put lib /MySQL/. That's how easy it is. You have to save this, but once saved, CYA will now skip that directory. That's all I have to do. Let's say, though, I'm backing up the op directory as a custom directory, and I want to exclude two directories. So I have to type in exclude, all uppercase, lower than underscore, /opt / equals, quote. Let's say we have a logs file in there. Or cache. I mentioned that. Let's say we have a cache directory. So it's /opt/cache So we don't put the parent directory. We just type in cache, then / space. And let's say we have a logs directory in there, and we don't want the logs directory. We don't care about that. So we also do space, logs, then / because the / is necessary. We're going to be telling rsync it's a directory. And then we end the quotes. That's literally all we do. Now I write this out, and if I cat that if I cat that file, that'd be interesting, catting a directory. I don't think so. Anyway, if I cat that file, you'll see here our exclude variables. That's it. You've done it. Next time CYA runs, it'll exclude those. I'll see you in the next video.